Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fill property tax online Haryana. Begin by visiting the municipal portal and logging in or creating an account using your email and mobile number. Next, select the property tax section, enter your PID or assessment number, and verify owner information exactly as on documents. Upload clear scanned files, choose payment method, and review the summary carefully before confirming to avoid mistakes. When filling the form, type every detail precisely to prevent delays with assessment or payment processing. If the form asks for built-up area, use the measurement on ownership documents or survey records to avoid mismatches. Choose property type and usage carefully because this affects valuation and tax amounts. Double-check names, contact numbers, and email, then proceed to the upload section for documents and move to payment options once everything looks correct. After completing the form, pick your preferred online payment method and confirm the amount shown before authorizing. Keep an eye for any convenience fee or taxes added by the gateway to avoid surprises. Once payment succeeds, download the receipt and note the transaction ID for easy reference. If a failure occurs, check your bank alerts and portal messages, then retry payment or contact municipal support with details to resolve it quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.